Hello, I'm Dr. J, and this is the Volatility Sonar Report. The reason it's so important for you is this is like a heartbeat for the market, folks. It tells you whether or not we expect the market to go up higher dramatically or down lower dramatically. As VIX moves up, they're expecting dramatic moves. As VIX moves down, that means volatility is going to be more stable. The markets are going to be more stable. Here's today's report.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell from Group 1 Trading. Well, today is expiration for all equity and ETF options. The VIX, of course, had its expiration on Wednesday. So this is one of the expirations where the VIX comes before equity expiration. So for us, today is a very slow trading day. We have no front month options. A lot of people interested in making near-term plays are making those plays on April options that are still being traded in ETFs, in equity names, and in big indexes. When we see a lot of activity on an equity expiration in the VIX, it's typically when we have the VIX expiring after the major expiration. So in May, equities expire on the 15th and we expire the Wednesday following that. You'll see a lot of VIX activity then because the VIX will be the only short-term play left available. People carrying risk over the weekend can play in the VIX and knowing that those options won't settle until the following week. So today, pretty slow day in the VIX, but a pretty busy day for the market overall. What we have seen in the VIX yesterday leading into today was a big uptick in the volatility in May and June options. As people have seen the VIX drift down from 35 or from 45 down into the mid-30s, people are starting to see the VIX break out of that low 40 range it's in, and they're starting to inflate the premium levels on these options. The big two strikes we saw played yesterday were the May 30s and the June 30 puts. People starting to look towards the downside. 20,000 May 30 puts traded and 40,000 June 30 puts. Those were trading about a quarter on the May and about 55 cents on the June. Today we've seen a big seller of the May 37 puts. They've sold about 5,000 of those, and the May 35 puts. The May 35 puts are trading 155. So that's what we have going here. Pretty slow day for the VIX. Pretty lively day in the overall market because of equity and ETF expiration. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Option Monster.